already covered the introduction of the chapter. Now we are going to cover the operations on the chapter performed, that is operations on the algebraic expressions. Here we are going to see that what all operations we are going to apply in algebraic expressions. First of all, we will apply addition of algebraic expression. For example, if I say this is a different question now, we have to add these algebraic expressions. How we will add? First of all, this is first, this is second, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So first of all, I am going to write this algebraic expression. 5y cube upon 3 first. Then we have 3y square. Then we have 3y. Then we have 6 upon 5. Then we have 6 upon 5. Now next, I will take this algebraic expression. So I will keep the y cube term here. So we don't have any y cube term in this particular expression. So we will not take it. We will take y square term. So 2y square upon 3. 0 you can write here. 0 plus 2y square upon 3. Then for y we have minus y by 2. Minus y by 2. Then for constant we have minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Then next we have, this is also done now, this expression. For this expression 5y cube upon 3 we will take it here, plus 5 minus 5y square upon 3. Then first is 2y upon 3. So plus 2y upon 3. Here will come 2y upon 3. So write 2y upon 3. Plus 2y upon 3. Plus constant क्या है इसका? Equation का कोई constant नहीं है. Then next at last we have 2. So what we will do here, right? We will write 0 here and then here 2 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Now this 4 expression we need to add. These 4 expressions we need to add. To add these expressions, what are we going to do? First column. This is our first column we need to add. Second column. This is the second column. Then we have third column. Y column. And then at last we have constant column. So we have to add constant column. Okay. This is the first row which contains the first expression. Second row contains the second expression, third row contains the third expression, and at last fourth row contains fourth expression, but this contains only one term which is constant term. We will take it as 2. Now we are going to add it. First of all, I will add the constant column. How will I add? 6 upon 5 minus 4 upon 3 plus 2. I will take LCM. 5 3s are 15, 3 6 3s are 18, minus 3 5s are 4 5s are 20, plus 15 15 2s are 30. Now 30 minus 20 is 10, 10 plus 18 is 28 upon 15. 28 upon 15. Now here it will come 28 upon 15. 28 upon 15. This means constant term is 28 upon 15. Next I will take y term and write the y term. Take the sum for y term. For y term I will take 3y plus minus of y by 2. Then we have 2y by 3 plus 2y by 3. And then at last we have 0. So no need of adding 0. LCM आएगा 6. 1 अपॉन में है 1, तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 6 3s are 18 y प्लस वी हैव 2 3s are 6 minus 3y. Then we have 3 2s are 6, then 2 2s are 4 plus 4y. Then we are going to add this. Now 18 plus 4 is 24. 18 plus 4 is 22. 18y plus 4y minus 3y upon 6. Then this is 22. 22 minus 3 is what? 19. 19y upon 6. तो ये इसकी क्या टर्म आएगी? 19y upon 6. Same will be done for this particular term also, which is of y square. For y square, what we have to do? We will add y square terms now. For adding y square terms, this. So it is 3y square plus 2y square upon 3. Then I have minus 5y square upon 3 plus 0. Now we will take the LCM as 3. LCM as 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9y square plus 2y square minus 5y square. Now I will add them. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6y square upon 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2y square is the term, finalized term for this. So it will be 2y square. 2y square. Now the only term left is 5y cube upon 3 plus 5y cube upon 3. So this we can find orally. Orally भी हम find कर सकते हैं. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो डायरेक्टली ऐड हो जाएंगे 10y क्यूब अपॉन 3. 10y क्यूब अपॉन 3. 10y क्यूब अपॉन 3 plus. So the finalized algebraic expression is this. By adding all the like terms together, we get 10y cube upon 3 plus 2y square plus 19y upon 6 plus 28 upon 15. So this is the finalized algebraic expression, and this is the method to solve this particular question. Next. Now this is fourth illustration of subtraction. What we have to do, we have to subtract this particular expression from this particular expression. What I am going to write? 12 upon 5 x square y z. Just check the terms very carefully. 3 upon 5 x y z plus 2 upon 3 x square y. x square y. इसमें से इसको subtract करना है. So 3 upon 2. Now just check. x square y z. x square y z वाली term ये है. तो मैं इसको यहाँ लिखूंगी. तो मैं क्या करूंगी? इसको यहाँ लिखूंगी. सो माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई जेड. जस्ट रिमेंबर जो लाइक टर्म है उसके नीचे ही उसकी टर्म आए, सो दैट यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट इजीली. देन फॉर एक्स वाई जेड I have no term of xyz. I don't have any term of xyz. I have only term x square y and y square. So I'll keep it as 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then x square y we have 3 upon 2. So plus 3 upon 2 x square y plus 3 upon 2 x square y. Now what I will do, the remaining term is 4 upon 5 y. So I will write it here, 4 upon 5 y. Now here we don't have any term for this, so we'll write 0. Now what I have to do is, I will write it like this. Subtraction के लिए पहले आप जिसमें से subtract करना है उसे first पे लिखेंगे, जिसको subtract करना है second पे लिखेंगे. Then you have to follow a particular procedure. What you have to do is, you have to change the sign of the second row. You have to change the sign of the second row. How? Minus means plus. Minus means plus. Then plus means minus. Then plus means minus. Then plus means minus. Okay. Now I have to operate them. 12 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. 12 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. So how will I take out? 12 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. So it is 15 is LCM. Then we have 3, 12 3s are 36 plus 5. 12 3s are 36 plus 5, it will be 41 upon 15. 41 upon 15. So the answer for this will be 41 upon 15 x square y z. X square y z plus. Now this is minus 3 upon 5 x y z minus of 0. This means minus 3 upon 5 x y z. Completed. Now we have third row, third column, 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2. So I'll do 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2. What it will be? 6. 2 2s are 4 minus 9. So it will be minus 5 upon 6. It will be minus 5 upon 6. So I will write minus 5 upon 6 x square y. X square y. Then we have at last 0 minus of 4 upon 5y. So 4 upon 5 minus of 4 upon 5y. So this is the answer as algebraic expression for the given question. We have to subtract this from this expression, write this expression first, write this expression second, arrange them such that the like terms come in one row. Like terms comes in one row. ये दोनों like terms है तो ये एक रो में आएंगी, ये दोनों like terms है तो ये भी एक रो में आएंगी. Like terms in one row. Then change the sign for the second row. If it is minus, do it plus. If it is plus, do it minus. Plus minus plus minus. Then perform the particular operation written here and then arrange them again in the like terms.